Welcome to this short tutorial about HTML screens. Screens built in basic HTML code allow you to make content more engaging and interactive. Using this code, you can customize text, add photos and other media, embed links to websites, and more. Let's look at the basic structure. To begin, open the HTML template and name the screen. Next, open the HTML editor by clicking anywhere within the white space labeled "Click here to view properties." This last step will open the HTML editor. Before working with the editor, you might want to drag the bottom right corner of the workspace window down to give yourself more room to see your work. Now, enter your content text into the workspace window of the HTML editor, and use the editor's buttons to make your text more dynamic. Here we've used the boldface button and the text color button together to make the phrase HTML-based screens stand out. Embedded links to web pages can be then viewed within the app by clicking the Links or Insert Edit Links button and programming the URL for that website by entering it into the window that opens. Be sure to include the https:// to the address. There's a separate tutorial about adding photos and other media files to these HTML screens. Please refer to that for more information. Clicking the Source Code button will open a window in which you can see, edit, or even write your own HTML code. There's a separate tutorial about writing HTML code as well, and a guide on how to link the buttons to various HTML tags. There are 3 other HTML-based templates included in the platform, each of which also use the HTML editor. The single header provides a built-in frame and a subheading. The double header provides a pair of frames and 2 subheadings. And finally, the single button template allows the end user to skip to another screen within the app. You'll note that the button is labeled Directions to Business. As with any other part of the template content, you can also edit this. How will you use these screens?